It's a fall day here in the Pacific Northwest. It is raining out, or should I say just drizzling. I always thought it was a little strange that people here in Seattle never really use an umbrella even when it rains. This kind of weather sure makes it great for having some hot soup. So today I'm going to make a copycat soup, and they call it a copycat because we tried to replicate a soup that we've tried in a restaurant, and this particular soup has been made in Olive Garden, and it is Zuppa Toscana. So let's get inside and make this delicious warm soup. I choose the chicken sausage over the pork sausage. Next time, look at the ingredients of your pork sausage. There might be corn syrup in there. You will be surprised at what's in there. Obviously, brown the chicken, remove that from the pan, and then we're going to use the same pan to saute our onions and our garlic. And we have organic potatoes. Those are on your Dirty Dozen, so you want to make sure that those are organic. And then we're going to let the potatoes, onions, and garlic all cook in the pan for a little bit until those potatoes start to get tender. We have just 3 ingredients: black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes. I'm not even measuring, I'm just sprinkling on the black pepper and then the salt and then the red pepper flakes. So just put as much in as you like. And then I'm using 2 packages of the organic chicken broth. Bring it to a boil, and I've added back my meat into the mix. And you constantly want to just check that tenderness of that potato. Again, you don't want that to get overdone. So I have that quite high. It's a rolling boil there. Want to turn that down. And I have my kale all ready to go. So we add the kale and give that a nice stir. Let me know if you've had this soup at Olive Garden. And then we just have one more ingredient. It's the heavy whipping cream. I like to use organic if I'm using dairy, and this calls for 3/4 cup. This is added, and it's added last, and you only let this simmer for about 5 minutes once this is in here. So go ahead and give that a stir and let that cook for 5 minutes. If you have it on hand, add a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Smells so good. This soup filled me up perfectly, and it is the right amount of heat, not too spicy, so delicious. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to keep on cranking out some videos.